Welcome to Alex Factory, located in Lisbon, Portugal. This was an old 19th century industrial place with lots of factory buildings that were restored to be turned into a creative, cultural and gastronomic wonderland. I'm heading to a very special bookshop. This is Ler Devagar, nominated one of the 20th most beautiful bookshops in the world. Here, you can find all sorts of new and second-hand books, cultural shows, and a place to grab a book to read and chill from the city buzz. For today's kindness act, I've written a set of inspirational quotes followed by action-driven questions to hide amongst the books of this bookshop. When we think of acts of kindness, we should always keep in mind that, most of the times, we'll never know how long it takes until it brings joy to someone, neither how much of an impact it will have in someone's life. And that's okay, because knowing is not the purpose of the act, right? I just believe that at least one of these notes will generate a positive shift in someone's life and promote a processional effect, knowing that we are all connected at a certain level and affect each other's lives every day, whether we want it or not. Because, as the butterfly effect states, the flapping of a butterfly wings in Brazil can set off a tornado in Texas. Share this video with someone who needs to be remembered of the importance of the role they play in the creation of a better future for humanity. Your action matters. Never underestimate it. Create your happiness today, and by doing so, you'll be creating happiness for us all. On my behalf, thank you for your kindness. Hit the subscribe button right now to be the first one to get access to the next video. Hit the subscribe button right now to be the first one to get access to the next video.